I went to a magic show for the first time and it was amazing.
Trong đoạn hội thoại mà bạn sắp nghe, một người thích thú kể về lần đầu họ xem trình diễn ảo thuật. Hãy tập trung nghe đoạn hội thoại và trả lời câu hỏi trên màn hình.
Hey Tom, you won't believe what I saw last night.
What happened?
I went to a magic show for the first time and it was amazing.
Really? What kind of tricks did they do?
The magician made a coin disappear right in front of my eyes. 1 second it was in her hand and the next, it was gone.
No way. Where did it go?
That's the crazy part. She pulled it out of someone's ear in the audience.
What? That's wild.
And then she cut a rope into 2 pieces, waved her hand over it, and it was suddenly 1 piece again. It was like magic was real.
That sounds awesome. Were you close enough to see how she did it?
I was right up front, but I couldn't figure it out at all. It felt like she had real powers.
Now I want to see a magic show too.
You have to. It was such a fun experience. I still can't stop thinking about it.
I bet. Next time, invite me along.
Deal. You'll love it.
Vậy là hết đoạn hội thoại. Nếu muốn, bạn có thể quay lại đầu video để nghe thêm một lần nữa. Bạn thấy câu này dễ hay khó? Nói mình nghe trong phần bình luận bên dưới nhé.